Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big fish, guys. It's a really big fish. Fish on. Oh, big fish. Big fish. What's up, everybody? Fish Hulk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. It is a beautiful day, high of 80 degrees, partly cloudy skies. The creek's looking really good, has a nice flow to it, and it's pretty clear. Hopefully I can get some in the net. Stay tuned. Today I got my 6-foot light Fish Hulk rod, Shimano 1000 reel, 6-pound test, P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end I have a EuroTackle B-Vibe swimbait in the fire tiger color, and I have it on a EuroTackle tungsten jig head, 1/16 of an ounce. If you guys want anything from EuroTackle, use code FISHHAWK to save some money. Fish on. First fish of the day is a beauty. Just started fishing, third cast of the day. Nice wild brown trout. Let's keep it going. Fish on. Oh. Little rainbow, that's awesome. Second fish of the day is a little rainbow. That makes one brown and one rainbow. Let's keep it going. Fish on. Third fish of the day, pretty wild brown. Three trout in the net in about 30 minutes of fishing, off to a good start. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big fish, guys. It's a really big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. What an absolute beast, guys. 19-inch wild brown. What a fish, guys. That was a really nice wild brown trout, around 19 inches. It was hanging out under this pile of logs over here. Put up one heck of a fight. Almost didn't get it in the net, but got some pictures and video of it and got a good healthy release. Let's keep it going. It's going to be hard to top that one, but we're going to try. After I catch a big fish like that, I like to retie because all of that tension on that knot makes it weak and you don't want to break off on the next fish you hook. I use an improved clench knot 99% of the time, unless I'm bass fishing or fishing for some bigger fish. Then I'll use a polymer knot. All right, let's get back out there. All I'm doing to fish this swim bait is casting it out, and then I'm doing a steady retrieve back to me, giving my rod tip some twitches, making that swim bait hop. And I'm nicking the bottom every now and then. I can feel the swim bait bump in the bottom. That's a good sign. That's where you want to be. That's where those fish are hanging. Fish on. Oh, big fish. Big fish. In the net. Nice wild brown, around 16 inches. Getting on some nice trout today. Let's keep it going. Fish on. That's not a trout. First fall fish of the day. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Had a great day of trout fishing. Caught some really nice trout, all on the EuroTackle B-Vibe swim bait. I'll leave a link down in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.